While there's a great deal of excitement about the forthcoming World Cup, particularly with Wales taking part for the first time since 1958, 64 years ago, it is important to reflect on the wider issues surrounding this event. I'm proud that Newport City Council is an inclusive council that promotes equality and tolerance, and I believe that most of our residents support these values. We have a thriving Pride network in the city and the council, and this year we celebrated our first absolutely joyous and positive community-led Pride event. Sadly, that celebration could not happen in some parts of the world, including the country hosting this World Cup. Some people feel that the game and those participating should not become involved in politics, although some players have bravely spoken out publicly. But this is not about politics. It is about letting people live their own lives without fear. And that's why, while cheering on our team and enjoying the spectacle, we should make clear our concerns, especially to those who could make a difference. I call on FIFA and UEFA to abandon their apolitical stance and show that they will no longer support countries and regimes that discriminate against other people by no longer allowing them to stage such major prestigious events like the World Cup. Let us enjoy the feast of football this winter, but hope that we will also see a significant change in attitudes so that everyone feels they'll be welcome to be involved in the future.